Hello everyone, today I get this video for you, and this video very beneficial in your daily routine English speaking. So without wasting time, let us start this video. But I would like to say here, please till the end watch this video, and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So yes, this video we will learn some idioms and phrases. So first idiom is here. Mum's the word. Mum's the word. What is the meaning of in English? Let us see. To keep a secret. To keep a secret. Stay silent. Stay silent. And इसका हिंदी अर्थ ये होता है चुपचाप रहना. चुपचाप रहना मतलब आप कोई बात अपने दिल में ही रखना या फिर सामने वालों को वो बात बताना नहीं है, वो सीक्रेट बात रखना है. तो लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस मम्स द वर्ड. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग पीपल जनरली येट. ओके, मम्स द वर्ड. आई रिपीट दिस एग्जांपल. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग पीपल जनरली येट. ओके, mum's the word. Let us see second example. We want her birthday party to be a surprise. So, mum's the word. We want her birthday party to be a surprise. So, mum's the word. Let us see another phrase, and another phrase is here, come again. Come again. So what is the meaning in English? Okay, we will see the meaning of in English. Repeat what you have just said. Repeat what you have just said. या फिर इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है फिर से आना. फिर से आना. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसे होता है किसी ने कोई बात कह दी है और आपने वो बात सुनी नहीं है, तो भी आप ये बोल सकते हैं come again. Come again. Okay. Some people say come again when they want you to repeat what you have just said. That time also they can say come again. Okay. Let us see of this example. They are not foodie at all and they absolutely loved it and want to come again. I repeat this example. They are not foodie at all and they absolutely loved it and want to come again. Let us see another idiom, and another idiom is on the nose. On the nose. So what is the meaning of this in English? The meaning of this English, exactly right या फिर precisely or the exact amount. The exact amount. So let us see what is the meaning in Hindi. हिंदी में उसका अर्थ होता है ठीक. Okay, let us see some example of this idiom on the nose. On the nose. Yes, first example is here. I weighed 80 kg on the nose. I weighed 80 kg on the nose. So yes, second example is here. These are 60,000 rupees on the nose. These are 60,000 rupees on the nose. Let us see the another idiom. The another idiom is here, around the corner. Around the corner. Just around the corner. Just around the corner. So what is the meaning in English? Let us see. Going to happen soon. Going to happen soon. So what is the meaning in Hindi? तो हिंदी में इसका अर्थ ये होता है पास ही में या फिर नज़दीक कहीं पे या बहुत ही पास में कोई चीज़ होने वाली है या पास में ही कोई चीज़ है, तो उसके लिए हम ये इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर. सो लेट अस सी सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस just around the corner. So first example is here. There are many more changes around the corner. I repeat this example. There are many more changes around the corner. So next example is here. Winter is just around the corner, and that means flu season is here. I repeat it again. Winter is just around the corner, and that means flu season is here. So we learned some idioms and phrases here. You can use these idioms and phrases in your English speaking. And please make some sentences about these idioms and phrases in the comment. So we will meet again like this same video next time. So till then, bye, see you soon, and thank you.